welcome, it's me, Itsemgeee, and Hannah, and she likes the button, and welcome to day 8. We are up early today because we're doing a hike.
Mighty hike.
Not the mighty hike, because I'm doing that next week. We're doing
a mighty hike.
Oh, we're hiking up to Hollywood Sign, and hopefully going to the Beachwood cafe. Because Harry, you know what I mean. But let's go. We are in our hiking gear. I'm gonna actually put some trainers on. I'm actually gonna wear a coat because it goes. Oh, I'm gonna take my Uniqlo one because that goes with everything. Let's walk. We have made it. Definitely a bit of a hike. Like the hills were like that. I was gonna film, but too tired.
Look, croissant, chocolate croissant, blueberry muffin.
We've just been in the Beachwood cafe. Very nice, very nice. Hello, we are back. We are showered from the Beachwood cafe and the Hollywood hike. But I don't know why I'm in quotation, it was a hike. But now we are ready for the Warner studio tour. I don't know how much I am going to film, obviously because I can't film bits. But we'll take you with us. We'll see where it goes. Here. We've checked in, we've got our lanyards. Worth $150 for the lanyards. Also came early to get used of the free pastries. Technically not free because I paid for them. Pastries and drinks. Yeah, free pastries. Look at Crazy Richard. That's the dress she tries to wear, but they say no. The wedding dress. It's there. It's there. Hey.
You buy them there if you want to buy any of the photos.
Yeah.
What are you wearing? Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too. And got presents?
We have got our food from Central Park. Oh, hello. We're waiting for it because we got the deluxe tour or whatever. We got a main, a side, and a drink. So we've got a pizza pocket coming. We've got another Diet Coke.
How many have you had today?
My second one. And then I've got pastry, which is like a raspberry, which is like a raspberry donut thing. This is a pizza pocket. I've had a bite, it is delicious. I'm too hungry. Ooh. Keep going. Drop. Yeah. Got it.
Wait, I'll tell Mick that we had one.
We're back, and I'm back on the camera. On our way back, we were like, ooh, why is there loads of people in cowboy boots? Turns out Zach Bryan is playing at the crypto down the road. We're like, ooh, let's see if we should go. The cheapest is $200 a ticket.
I told you.
So we're not going there. I don't actually know what we're doing for the rest of the day. It's quarter past 7. Yeah, we do need to pack for tomorrow because we're moving to Disneyland. Well, technically Anaheim. We're in Disneyland tomorrow. And then
We're not going to Disneyland tomorrow.
oh,
We're doing
technically,
tomorrow.
yeah, we're doing walking, but technically we're going to be in downtown Disney.
Yeah.
Technically Disneyland. But yeah, I was gonna Google in and out and then see how far that is. Probably take it with me. We've ordered for the first time a Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
We've never had one before, so this is exciting. We've gone for the chicken strips. Ordered some mac and cheese because apparently that's popular. But I'm looking forward to the waffle fries. But we'll let you know when it comes. The food has arrived. Let's try it. What?
The salt just came out.
Oh, lovely.
No, not lovely.
We got
Overdone.
chicken strips.
Thank you, chicken strips. Sorry.
Right, I got some Chick-fil-A sauce. This is exciting. What is it?
Dip on in. The sauce is fine. I'm just thinking I need to kind of put my sauce on because that's like.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's nice sauce.
What is it?
Chick-fil-A sauce. That's nice. It's lovely.
I'm gonna try the
Let's try the
honey barbecue.
mac and cheese. What's going on? It's stuck to the sticker. What, honey barbecue?
Get a dip of that.
I think it'd be just like the mac and cheese sauce.
My chips is cold though.
And these channels in free preview.
Tastes the same.
All this and more.
Is it?
On
Yeah.
demand. On
Oh.
Dish.
Mine mac and cheese.
What's that?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's a bit sweet of yours.
Oh. I'm
Will you
excited.
stop moving that? I just keep getting a bit balanced.
Sorry.
Herb ranch. Smells delicious.
Welcome back to our E-News
Wow.
Party special from Dollywood in
Oh,
All right.
get a dip of the herb ranch.
Oh, lovely. I never had ranch before.
100%, but throughout her career, it's clear that everything revolves around one thing: the songs.
We spoke with Dolly about her
God, it's
songwriting
like
process
herby
and the
loudly.
secrets behind the musical magic.
Okay.
You had to put a number
Oh,
on it.
yeah.
How many songs
Huh.
have you written Miss Barton
Oh,
today?
can I try our barbecue?
Well, I don't
Yeah.
count them, but
Hello. It is
It's not even 10 o'clock.
10:59. Nope.
Should we go in the Hollywood Museum tomorrow?
Oh, it is 9:56.
To be fair, not if you have to pay.
And me and Hannah are falling asleep, so
I've been falling asleep for like an hour.
I think we're going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. Not much this vlog because we couldn't really film in one the studio tour, but really enjoyed it. If you are thinking about doing it, me and Hannah would both recommend the Plus tour because you get food,
Yeah.
you get
Here's the China.
an extra hour tour. When you first go in, you get pastries,
Or we
drinks.
could do the TMZ celebrity tour.
Ooh. You get drinks, you get snacks, like. I apologise, literally falling asleep.
Oh, it's not okay.
It's not okay. It's been a long day. We've walked,
It is what it is.
we've done the tour, we've eaten, but yeah. If you do like it, please comment, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. I'll see you tomorrow. We are officially on Disney property tomorrow.
Yes, we are.
Yay! And there'll be lots of shopping in Disney. Bye!